Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make reels on Instagram with multiple videos. The first thing you'll need to do is go into the Instagram app. Once on Instagram, you're going to simply tap on the reel icon at the bottom of the screen. As to upload multiple videos with an Instagram reel, I would recommend that you scroll along the reels until you see a reel that you like. For example, this one right here. And from here you can simply tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. And you'll tap on Use as Template. After you have selected Use as Template, as you can see right here, you will see an outline of each second and different sections on which you can replace the clips with your own. So for example, you can tap on the first one right here and you could add the clip that you would want to use. Then you'll tap on Next. And from here you could tap on the second one right here, and from here you can select the clip that you'd like to put right there. Then you'll tap on Next, and that's how you would do it right along the line. And this allows you to add multiple videos to your Instagram reel. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make reels on Instagram with multiple videos.